Once upon a time, in a far-off galaxy, lived a giant named Galactus. Galactus was not like other giants. He was kind and gentle, with a heart as big as his enormous size. One day, Galactus felt a rumble in his tummy. He had not eaten for a very long time. Giants need a lot of food to stay strong. So, Galactus decided to go on a journey to find something to eat. He traveled across planets, searching for the biggest, juiciest fruit. But Galactus was a vegetarian giant. He only ate fruits and vegetables. On the third planet, Galactus found a massive, glowing fruit. It was bigger than him. Galactus was excited. He carefully picked the fruit, and it was as ripe as could be. But as Galactus took a bite, something unexpected happened. The fruit was not just a fruit. It was a magic fruit that could grant a wish to whoever ate it. Galactus wished for a way to share his food with all the creatures in the galaxy. The magic fruit granted his wish. Now, anytime Galactus ate, a sweet, delicious aroma filled the air, attracting every creature to share in his meal. From that day forward, Galactus traveled from planet to planet, sharing his food and making friends along the way. The creatures were grateful for Galactus' kindness, and they learned the importance of sharing and compassion. Galactus was no longer just a giant. He was a friend to all, a symbol of kindness, and a reminder that even the biggest creatures can have the biggest hearts. And he lived happily, forever feasting and sharing with his newfound friends in the galaxy. The end.